Assalamu alaikum, my dearest viewers. Hopefully you all will be enjoying good health. Viewers, this video is made in the rain at Berkon. The first part is at my home, and the second part is at Pakistan Tobacco Company of Berkon. And you can see the beautiful flowers during the spring season. You can see all natural view. And friends, I request all of you that I'm trying very hard to bring you beautiful videos of nature. If you are nature loving, must like this video and share with your friends on all social media apps that you are using. And if you haven't still subscribed my channel yet now, please subscribe my channel and support me and give your beautiful comments on this natural video. You know very well nature is the manifestation of God. I hope my all dearest viewers you will support me always, and I'm much thankful to my all subscribers and my viewers that are giving your special love and respect, and you come on my videos. Stay blessed, stay healthy and safe. Fi amanillah. Now watching this video with music.